guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kellyneshell. If you'd love to see how I created this look, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are.
I'll be starting this look off by doing my foundation first, and for foundation today I am using my Fit Me in Coconut 355 Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to use my brush to apply the foundation, after which I use my Real Technique sponge to blend it out or to pick up the extra foundation. For concealer, here I am concealing. For concealer, I'm using my Ruby Kisses concealer in Caramel. This is my go-to concealer, and I just take my same sponge that I use for my foundation to blend the concealer out. And after blending out my concealer, it's time to blend out my contour, and for my contour I use my Black Radiance contour stick. And now it's time to set all the areas that I conceal, and for that I'm using my Coty Airspun powder just to set these areas. Now it's time to get the eyes started, and for my base I'm using my Black Opal Heavenly Honey concealer, and I'm taking this Pixie Time's Judy palette, and I'm taking this shade called Honey Bear to pack on the outer third of my eye. And this shade is somewhat close to my skin tone, but I'm just going to pack it on the outer third of my eye and then just blend it straight through the crease for my transition shade. And don't worry if the shade comes down a little on the lid. And to add a little depth to this color, I'm going to take Tutu from the same palette just to go through the crease. And here I'm taking my NYX glitter glue to base my eyelids, because I am going to use glitter from this Cargo palette. And the first shade I took was Jet Ski, which is this emerald looking green shade, and I'm just gonna pack it on top of where I place that glitter glue. I'm gonna go in with like a few more colors, like 2 more colors from this palette. Now I'm taking Villa. Villa is this kind of like gold shift looking color, and I'm gonna go right on top of Jet Ski with Villa to see if I could create a kind of like dual chrome kind of vibe going on with this look. And the final shade that I'll be taking from this palette to go onto this eye is called After Party, and After Party is a pretty pink shade, and I feel like this shade kind of brought the whole look together. It's not too green or anything. Then I'm gonna go back into Honey Bear just to smoke everything out, and as I said, Honey Bear is close to my skin tone. Now to brush away all this powder, the Coty powder, I'm going to go in with my regular face powder just to brush the excess powder and to get rid of the whiteness from my face, because the powder is somewhat white and it can leave a cast if not brushed away. Now it's time to mist and set my face, and I'm just using my regular misting water that I use all the time, and I'm just taking the same sponge that I used to add my foundation and my concealer just to work that product into my skin. And now it's time to bronze, and I'm using this bronzer from e.l.f. It's from a old collection that they have. And I'm just adding my bronzer, and I'm taking the same highlighter from the same palette just to highlight. It's nothing crazy, it's just a light highlight, because I wasn't going for anything too dramatic. And I'm gonna highlight the usual place. And now it's time to apply my lashes, and these lashes are the same lashes that I've been using, and I still don't know what they're called. Maybe one day I'll know what they're called, or I'll figure it out. But I do reuse my lash, and these are lashes that I have been reusing. And I'm going in now and coating my lashes with my mascara. To add the finishing touch to this look, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with my NYX pencil in Cappuccino, no surprise there. And I'm gonna take this Lancome lipstick called Love It to complete the look. And guys, this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything that I could have changed, just let me know. And I hope your day is as wonderful as you are.